Kelly, this is Glen, and this is Alan. Alan is 2, and we've been previously renting in Sandyford in private accommodation. Our landlord got into his own bit of trouble, so unfortunately gave us 3 months notice to vacate. We looked for 3 months solid, sent out emails everywhere, every property, apartment. We even looked down the country to try and find new accommodation. We failed miserably. We ended up in a hotel in Bray for near 11 weeks, wasn't it? And then we got offered a hub in Kilmacud, which the council were trying to help us out, thinking it was close by to work, because we both work. And the hub wasn't livable by any means, shape or form, so we went back to the council. We asked, should we place somewhere else, or our self-accommodation to be reinstated? We were told no. The minister himself won't reinstate our self-accommodation until an inspector came to view the hub. As of now, we were put into the Peter McCurry hub in Monkstown, and we're happy enough with it. So that was last Friday. We'll see how we get on and see how long we're there.
And what was your reaction to the hub that you went to, the first one?
Oh, I cried my eyes out for a good 40 minutes until we came up with something to do.
So
I
just,
couldn't.
just got out there, like we wouldn't stay there.
No.
Wasn't
My 2-year-old child asked me, did somebody do wee-wees on the carpet because of the smell?
Like, it's not just people on the streets anymore. The old perception of people and homeless people. It's a new perception of people. People wearing suits and workwear. We're the new generation, you know. And this is the way it's going to be.
Young families that are paying tax, that are out bursting their everything every day.
I feel sorry for their future, because the last 30 years, 40 years, Farnham, Sandyford, Tallaght, Clondalkin, Blanchardstown, all them areas, they were only built. Fresh council houses, private developments as well thrown in the mix as well. They were only built. None of them are being built anymore. Any house that are being built are 3 or 4 or 5 bedroom house for $750,000. You know what I mean? Up around their area. Anyway, it's just it's just not acceptable. No, we won't be able to buy. We'll never be able to buy in this economy, and we're never going to be able to rent.
Yeah, we don't earn enough to buy to be approved of a mortgage, and the rents are got up that high that we can't rent either. So where do we go? What do we do? You know, we're stuck. I said, and then to try the stress of trying to get up and go to work every day, and trying to rear your child